Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kallur Krishnair from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 13th April 2026, Paingani Masam 30th, Monday, Vishwavasnama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishira Rudo, Paingani Masam, that is Meena Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 10:27 p.m. Ekadashi, then Dwadashi, Monday, Somavasaram, Nakshatram up to 1:25 p.m. Avittam Nakshatram, then Chadaya Nakshatram. Today's Rahugalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Guligalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Kadagarashi, Shulam East, Prayachittam Kard, Sradhatadi Ekadashi, Sarva Ekadashi. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.